This is the Reolink Altas PT Ultra. Now let's take a quick look and see what makes this camera stand out. This is one of Reolink's latest innovations, offering some impressive features. Now before we dive into this full specs, let me introduce Reolink for those of you who may not be familiar. Reolink is a leader in the security camera industry, offering eco-friendly monitoring solutions for indoor, outdoor, and off-grid homes. They continually upgrade their devices to enhance image quality, smart detection, and night vision features. So what's inside the box? Well, you've got the camera, of course, and then you've got the bracket. Then you have a box with all sorts of hardware to install it, which is the screws, USB-C charging cable, and a strap. Then we have the solar panel, a mount for the solar panel, and another box with hardware in it. We've got an optional foam insert to keep bugs out of the inside here, screws, and a bracket that mounts to here for use with the strap on it. So something else that came in the box is also the instructions, but most of the time people don't read them. Something that's not included is a micro SD card. You do want to get one that is high endurance for the rating, and that's because it's going to be writing to it all the time and rewriting over it, so you want something that's going to last. So we'll take the micro SD card with the top side facing towards the lens, press it down, and you'll hear a little click, and we'll close that up. Now I did charge this camera inside, so it is completely topped off before we install it with the solar panel. Now what's inside of here? We got the operational instruction for the solar panel. Then we have stickers that we can put where we want to install the camera and solar panel so that we can just drill these drilling templates and it'll go right in. And then of course, you have a protected by Reolink sticker because in some areas, lawyers say you have to have that up to record people breaking into your home. Now let's dive into the features of the Reolink Altas PT Ultra. This camera records true 4K ultra high definition, capturing crystal clear footage day or night. And it's got a massive 20,000 milliamp hour battery. That's freaking huge. The Altas PT Ultra can record continuously for up to 8 days on a single charge. This is solar powered. It's crazy. Users can also customize the recording schedules via the Reolink app or desktop client. Now, thanks to Reolink's ColorX technology, you get full color night vision without needing bright spotlights or IR LEDs, although it does have some if you want to turn that on. Now the f1.0 aperture and 1/1/8 inch sensor let in 4 times the amount of light than standard cameras, revealing crystal clear details even in the darkest environments. With 355 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical rotation, this camera provides all-around security. The smart detection features ensures that you'll only get notifications for what matters, whether it's a person, vehicle, or even an animal. Now controlling the Reolink Altas PT Ultra is as easy as using the app. You just access real-time footage, adjust settings, or download clips straight to your device. For me, the Altas PT Ultra has been great for keeping an eye on everything, from package deliveries to unexpected visitors. It's perfect for my home security setup, and the continuous recording gives me peace of mind knowing nothing gets missed, because even though this is powered by solar, it can still record continuously. Now, a massive thanks to Reolink for sponsoring this video. If you want to learn more about the Reolink Altas PT Ultra, head over to the link in the description for up to 20% off during the launch. Now let me show you something here. How you install this. So this plate, you can mount the backside here or the top here. You can drill this into the outside of the home up here or the exterior right here. Once this is installed, it just slides right on. And then you've got a screw hole on both sides, and then you just put in 2 screws and it holds it all secure. Here on the bottom is a micro SD card slot, and it supports up to 512 gigs. Now, I don't have a card that is that huge, but I got a 256 I'm gonna toss in here. So let's go install this and check out the footage. Now, a couple of quick tips when installing. You wanna install this at an angle, not directly head on. And a couple of reasons is that you want it out of the way so that as somebody's approaching, they don't necessarily try to dodge it and walk on past. So if it's somewhere that they might not notice, for example, up here in this tree, then chances are you'll probably get a better shot of them. Also, you need to consider the lighting in the area where you were installing it at. And granted, this does have true color night vision, which is very impressive. And even in a place where it's completely pitch dark, it will still get an image, but if there's a little bit of light, that does help quite a bit. Now, another thing is you want to install it approximately 2 or 3 meters up off the ground, which is roughly 7 to 10 feet. Now to a montage for the install. Now, I don't want to push in on it because it would essentially like shrink the pattern.
colors at night like the stars so true. Constant watch, no battery to die. Staying protected.
And one small thing I think that could be improved is to have some kind of like security bit right here instead of regular Phillips head, just because the height that this is recommended to be installed at is around 7 to 10 feet. Somebody could still reach up and grab it with a screwdriver easily. I'm gonna plug in the solar panel, and the reason why I didn't mount this yet is because I want to see what kind of coverage that it gets here in the shade to see if it's still more than enough power from the sun to be able to constantly charge it and keep it topped off. So underneath, there's the little flap, just pull that down, and apparently there's enough power from this to turn it on.
Watchful lens, won't say goodbye, guardian in disguise.
And that's basically it. It's very talkative, but you just come into the app, press the plus, and scan the QR code.
Welcome to Reolink.
Now, I don't have the home hub set up yet, so I'm just going to do standalone use. We'll configure the Wi-Fi over Bluetooth, put in the credentials for the Wi-Fi network. Let's see if it'll connect. I'm going to give it a password, give it a super secure password, like that. Do the illegal login lockout. So if anybody's trying to attack getting into the device, it will lock them out after a couple attempts with the invalid password. And this is just telling us here to have it not point in an area where there's going to be lots of motion, because it will just drain the battery even more. But because it's got such a big battery, I'm not sure that it's such a big deal, but we'll find out. Let's save the QR code. Bam, here it is. So we can see the camera up here, and I've got it on the app. I'm gonna hit PTZ. I just drag it on down or up. Let's see how this looks. Put it on clear. Now this does record at 4K resolution, up to 15 frames per second. And right now I've got it set to, I believe it's just the default of 2046 kilobits for the stream. So I'm shooting with one of my fastest lenses that I have. It's a f1.7. The lens is wide open. The LED light is not turning on, and I don't know if that is because there is a street light up here. Not sure. And again, it only has like 30% battery life left. I need to change where I have the solar panel at tomorrow.
That almost wraps up our deep dive into the Altas PT Ultra. With its impressive ColorX night vision and off-grid capabilities, this camera is truly pushing the boundaries of surveillance technology. Before we dive into some final thoughts, if you're enjoying this content and want to see more tech reviews, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support really helps us bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Now I want to highlight a couple more features. First, the auto tracking function works pretty well once you enable it. It's disabled by default. I don't know why. So make sure that you turn that on if you want the camera to automatically follow movement. It's a neat feature that adds an extra layer of security. And if you have any questions or thoughts, please drop them in the comments below. I love hearing what you guys think. The pre-record feature captures footage 10 seconds before motion is detected, ensuring no important events are missed. It supports SD card recording, FTP, and cloud storage, but is not available for email attachments. This feature can be configured through the Reolink app. I noticed that increasing the bitrate from 2048 to 4096 kilobits per second seems to enhance the clarity of the footage quite a bit. So if you're aiming for the best possible quality, you might want to tweak that setting. Now, I did encounter some issues with some of the beta features. They aren't working for me just yet, but I'm optimistic that a future firmware update will address these hiccups. Sure, it's not a perfect camera, as it is limited to 15 frames per second, which might be a drawback for some. The fact that it can record continuously, powered by solar 24/7 without relying on any grid power, just blows my mind. So who is this camera for? Well, if you're someone who needs reliable off-grid surveillance, like for remote properties, construction sites, farms, or even wildlife monitoring, or even just your home, the Altas PT Ultra could be a game changer for you. Now, if you'd like to check out other Reolink camera videos, check out this playlist right up here. Otherwise, YouTube says you should watch this next.